hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Hotter.
My viewers and my subscribers don't know the thing going on. I don't know it's a Newlink there and from Newlink production. I don't know people, and you know what I mean? You see that little clip there on my show now with the heavy rain with the F0R Jamaica people that are the 24th of December, Christmas Eve people. You see how much rain all over Jamaica, bare rain in the people, and Josh show the people them sign. Look at staying on the bed. Make this Christmas Eve be, if we not go to church, we not go to church. You know what I mean? Signs are so them, but guess some of them not listen because Newlink know. Me know say me I go get some bad news people on the Christmas day. Me know. Well people, the first incident that took place now on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, basically because it passed the 24th already, you know what I mean? So it's the 25th, we got Christmas, you know what I mean? It's a young man from inner Christiana Manchester people who is 24-year-old who was stabbed to death by another man people, you know what I mean? And yo, he just said the man is just 24, you know people, and a grand market thing them gone, and him another man in a local corruption and thing and see they stabbed to death him gone. Now Christiana Manchester. The next incident now people is where a 53-year-old man downtown Kingston per Orange Street people was standing. Them say at about 5 a.m. in the morning people, when an unknown man come out of nowhere people and just start inflict several wounds to the upper body of this man. Him jump on the ground, people see him, them dash him in a car, rush him, carry him to hospital where he was pronounced dead. So that's 2 stabbing in the people in the Christmas day, you know, and these are man who come from the grand market thing, you know. All them see the rain and fall people. Newlink see it in Mr. January. I remember last year, you know, when I did do some report and some vlog where the same thing that happened Christmas Eve morning in the orchard where the stabbing did go on for a young man, you know. I'm going to say, no, so this Christmas is going to be bloody again. You know what I mean? This Christmas is going to be really bloody, you know. And see the people, sometime, man, when I see the look of rain and fall so hard, it's just sign, crow rooster crow. I just sign the Almighty and show and say, look here, today, make it be a day when you're not going to avoid the grand market thing. You know what I mean? Because it's changed people. Before grand market used to be different. When we got a grand market people, a fun we go to have. You know what I mean? Me and my cousin then come so boom now. And we left out of our say like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. We left from our community and we gone down in the town. First thing we are try find the beach. Then we are try go one hot top restaurant. As I look at you, me I tell you, that's how we used to live, you know. Because we save our money and we are going to enjoy it. But the sad part it about it, you know, people. But I tell you, as I look at you. Sometime after 1 in the morning or 12 o'clock, me broke my money gone. Crown and anchor man take away everything. Yeah man, cause I look at you just say the crown and anchor man and then trick with sometimes the people that hold dice bar we and there something there. But me tell you, our grand market was fun. Fun people. It was fun. And in the morning when we finished people, all we group up and we gonna see again and you know what I mean? But things has changed now. It's a totally different mindset of people because the devil is roaming Jamaica kind of people. The devil is like a Lego beast in Jamaica right now. You know what I mean? To me see the devil is a Lego beast. It's like a demon's overtaking over the island, surfacing all around from creases to corner. So when I look into it now, people, on a big man level, not joking people, you know what I mean? Everything changed. It's different because honestly, if I'm in Jamaica right now, people, I wouldn't go to Grand Market again because I'm telling you, say different now. It used to be fun, people. When it comes to boom, I'm going to go this one party, this one party there, this one party there. Everybody have a vibes. You know what I mean? As I look at you, they want to see me all a bubble pants, so woman and that. You know, yeah. Those are the fun we used to have. Crazy fun. It's changed. It's different. We used to see man come and you throw the little round thing over the liquor and you catch it, you take it, that's your one and then something there. We used to see how much price I give you this to the local you them. You go there so you get ice cream, toys there, so everything it just used to be fun, it's nice. But now people be a worry that come down. Every local youth nowadays, them just get different now, their mindset change because the thing is, you know, people, I'm gonna be honest to you. And people are going to say, the weed the youth them a smoke and a damage them and a mash them up. I'm not gonna be honest to the people. I'm not gonna say as a youngster I used to smoke weed, no. But I have cousin and friends who used to smoke weed from them are like 11, 12. And me I be honest to the people. And them never be them weird. They never have this anger in them, this fight, this, you know what I mean, worry thing. And no, because we always come together and go have fun, see we upon Christmas and them time there. You know what I mean? The thing is, people, they are smoking, but they are putting something else in it which is damaging them. Because what them money I do now, them a try experiment the American style of thing. You know, so American not smoke naturally stuff like we, most of them. You know what I mean? Them a add certain things to them thing. You know what I mean? And them for them we at the yard can't take it because you know what I mean? Them money I try breach on the system for go so them want to get higher. But in the end, them a damage themselves. You see? So all the look at you them, you are going now. See? And if you stop build up on yourself with these bagger loose things, meaning loose drugs, you know what I mean? I'm not going to tell you look at you today if you smoke marijuana, but if you not smoke marijuana, smoke real things. You see? Because number one, at the under 18 enough you smoke the weed. I'll be honest to you. You know what I mean? Get me? Me not tell the man to go smoke and nobody say you know only girl promote smoking. No, me not do it. But everybody have a life to live, and if a man chose to smoke it, maybe at that time that can heal in meditation, that can make him stay focused. But if a man go smoke it and they go lead him for do wrongs and do bad things, then you can't tell it, you know what I mean? Not do it. Don't touch it. If you can't manage it, leave it alone. Just like you know, so you can't manage rum. Don't drink it. You know, you go drink rum and go make trouble and chop down this and go. You know what I mean? Don't trouble it. You get me? So in the end, the youth them, when they need to stay focused, stay upon a more positive side. You get me? I say, sometimes the Almighty has shown a sign, abide by it and looking on yourself and say a sign just show it. Just believe that thinking there. Because I always believe in it. Just like if me I go somewhere people seeing, and me say, one big traffic did this so. And me stuck in the traffic for 30 minutes. You know what I say? You know what I say? A sign jar works. Look, and maybe if me did continue on that journey, maybe something that is an accident or something, so just protect me that way there. I just look at lights. Sometimes I see the rain fall, man. Staying on the bed, man. Someone I got beat the rain and fling on raincoat and fling up umbrella, fling all plastic over it, tie up on head with scandal bag, tie in the shoes with all big old garbage bag and something. And so on walk down, don't see him where you go. You know what I mean? Turning on the bed. You know what I mean? It's just sad people, and I just want to say my condolences to these two persons. Who is the news? I know more incident there in Jamaica, but that the two news report what we get with the incident that took place on Christmas Day. So I just want to send out my deepest condolences to the family and friends of these two deceased people. You know what I mean? It's sad, and at the end, you know what I mean? It's just terrible. You know, stabboons and thing, you know what I mean? For Christmas Day, the 25th, oh my God, Christmas Day, you know, if you're drinking a cereal and eat up on a cake and something on a fruit cake and, you know what I mean? You know, put the rice and peas on a oxtail on a cow foot and then something there. You know what I mean? Them things that go on, but I don't know a thing of people. Stay focused, stay positive. This is Newlink from Newlink Production, and we say, attack, attack, Happy New Year when it comes. Attack! Remember, support Newlink. You don't know, support the channel, contribute, you know what I mean? Bill, hey.
What them a go do, you know? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. Newlink.